Hey, is it a physical change or a chemical change? Let's explore chemical changes. Well, hello, friends. Hey, we've already learned that with a chemical change, something new is produced, unlike a physical change. But you can't always see the new product that's produced. So let's take a look at 5 different signs of a chemical change. Ready? Well, the first one, you may remember, change in temperature. A change in temperature usually occurs when a chemical change has taken place. Now, the change in temperature it can give off heat. If it gives off heat and it feels warm or even hot, like a fire, then it's exothermic. If it takes in heat and actually feels cool, we call that endothermic. So a change in temperature is one of the signs of a chemical change. I wonder what the others are. Take a look at some of these chemical changes that have an obvious change in temperature. Hey friends, with the weather 12 degrees Fahrenheit and a wind chill of 2 degrees Fahrenheit, you really need a chemical change to stay warm. I'm going to try to light this newspaper and see if I can get a chemical change going here. Check it out. Chemical changes like fire give off light and heat. And I wonder what the new product is. Let's take a look. Oh, chemical change. Thank you, chemical change. Woo! Add some more sticks to this. So let's take a closer look at chemical change. Look at the color of the sticks that were just burning. Watch this branch from a leftover Christmas tree as it burns. Wow! You've got light, heat, I smell an odor, and look at the difference now. Look at the stick that was green. Now it's black and there's gray ash. So we see a color change, we see heat, I feel heat, we see light. This is a very exothermic reaction in this chemical change of burning wood. Friends, chemical changes, they're happening all around us. Some give off heat, some take in heat. Chemical changes allow us to live our lives. Yeah, chemical change. Another sign of a chemical change is often there is a change in color. Sometimes it even gives off light in a chemical change. This doesn't always occur, but these are some of the signs of a chemical change. Sometimes a chemical change can give off light. Look at the glow stick. When you crack it, different chemicals interact in the glow stick, giving off light energy. And I'm sure there's some kind of temperature change too. Wow, glow sticks, light energy, chemical change. Oh, PU. Sometimes the chemical change actually gives off an odor, like rotting food or feces. Ew. An odor is often a sign of a chemical change. Sometimes it can be a good odor, like when you bake a cake and you smell that. That's real good. Otherwise, sometimes it can be kind of stinky, like rotting food. Odors.
Ew, I bet this rotting, spoiled food is giving off an odor. And look at the color change.
Yay, bubbles! Hey, sometimes when a chemical change occurs, there's the formation of bubbles. The formation of bubbles is another sign of a chemical change. Remember the baking soda and vinegar? Bubbles! They contain a new gas that was made, remember? What's going to happen? Wow! It's bubbling. Friends, you just saw a chemical change happen. Carbon dioxide gas. What? And one of the last signs of a truly chemical change would be the formation of a precipitate. A precipitate is a solid that forms. When mixtures are made with liquids, sometimes a new solid is produced and it gently settles to the bottom in a mixture. So that is a sign of a chemical change. It's less common than some of the others.
Precipitates often have a color involved. Look at the yellow one here. And this blue precipitate is a compound that actually contains copper.
Friends, these are 5 signs of a chemical change. They don't all occur with every chemical change, but usually a couple of these are involved, long as it's a true chemical change. So now you know some of the signs of a chemical change. This will help you to differentiate between a chemical change or a physical change. As well as a new product being produced, one or more of these signs are usually following a chemical change. See you later. Peace out.